to get ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So if you want to get ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you can open up your Notes application, and on your Notes you need to enter this number, which is +1-800-242-8478. Go with the tick which is on the top right, and here you need to just copy this. Tap on copy. Once you've copied, you can go back and go with your dialer or go with your contacts app, go with the plus, and then add this contact. Add the name as ChatGPT and enter the phone number. After that, go with save, which is on top right. Once you've saved, you need to go back, open up your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, go with your search and search for ChatGPT and tap on it. And that's it. Now you can just simply go and write a message or send a message. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.